If the moon disappeared, the most noticeable immediate effect would be the change in tides. The tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the moon on the Earth's oceans, and without the moon, there would be no more regular ebb and flow of the tides. This would have a significant impact on marine life, coastal ecosystems, and industries that rely on the tides for navigation. For example, many species of marine animals, such as crabs and snails, rely on the tides to move between their feeding and breeding grounds. Without the tides, these animals may struggle to find food or mates, which could have ripple effects throughout the marine food chain. Coastal ecosystems, such as salt marshes and mangrove forests, also rely on the tides to bring in nutrients and oxygen, so their health could be affected by the loss of regular tides. In terms of human impacts, the loss of tides could affect industries that rely on the tides for transportation and shipping. For example, ports and harbors may need to be redesigned to accommodate the lack of tides, and shipping schedules may need to be adjusted. Additionally, coastal erosion could become more of a problem without the regular ebb and flow of the tides to help distribute sediment along the coast. Another immediate effect of the moon's disappearance would be the change in the night sky. The moon is one of the brightest objects in the sky, and its absence would make the night sky much darker. This could have an impact on nocturnal animals, such as bats and owls, which rely on moonlight to navigate and hunt. It could also affect our own circadian rhythms, which are influenced by the natural light-dark cycle. Finally, the moon's absence would affect the Earth's rotation. The moon's gravitational pull slows down the Earth's rotation, so without the moon, the Earth would spin faster. This would mean shorter days and longer nights. While this might not have an immediate impact on our daily lives, it could affect the Earth's climate in the long term by altering wind patterns and ocean currents. The disappearance of the moon would have significant long-term effects on the Earth's climate. One of the moon's most important roles is to stabilize the Earth's axial tilt, which affects our seasons. Without the moon, the Earth's tilt would become more erratic, leading to more extreme seasonal variations. This could have profound impacts on agriculture, wildlife, and ecosystems. For example, if the Earth's tilt became more extreme, it could cause longer, more intense summers and colder, more severe winters. This could make it more difficult for farmers to predict growing seasons and could lead to crop failures. It could also affect wildlife, which rely on predictable seasonal changes for migration and breeding. In addition to affecting our seasons, the moon also helps to regulate the Earth's climate by creating a bulge around the equator that helps to distribute heat around the planet. This is known as the tidal bulge, and it is caused by the moon's gravitational pull. Without the moon, this bulge would disappear, leading to more extreme temperature variations between the equator and the poles. This could lead to more extreme weather patterns, such as stronger hurricanes and typhoons, as well as more intense heat waves and cold snaps. It could also affect ocean currents, which help to distribute heat and nutrients around the planet. This could have significant impacts on marine ecosystems and the creatures that rely on them. Finally, the moon's absence could have an impact on the Earth's magnetic field. The moon acts as a shield, protecting the Earth from solar winds that could strip away our atmosphere. Without the moon's protection, the Earth's atmosphere could be vulnerable to erosion by solar winds. This could lead to a loss of atmospheric gases like oxygen and nitrogen, which are essential for life on Earth. Overall, the long-term effects of the moon's disappearance would be far-reaching and profound. It could affect everything from agriculture and wildlife to climate patterns and ocean currents, and could have significant impacts on human civilization as a whole.